Hi, it's Alistair at Tregoad Holiday Park. Just wanted to bring you down and show you around this fantastic Willerby Mapleton lodge. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's on our Seat and Sands development. Come and have a look. So we've got this fantastic dining area just here. Loads of room for all the family when everybody's down. Nice place and great views from the bench seat out into the countryside. You've also got this wonderful lounge area with loads and loads of space. Big media wall, takes up to a 70-inch TV, and really funky lights too that change colour, and yeah, you can kind of set it how you want. So great mood lighting just there. So we've got a fantastic open plan kitchen. We've got loads and loads of space in it. So again, we've got a breakfast bar, place to sit down, have a bacon sandwich in the morning, cup of tea, and then out for the day. Or just come and chill out and have a chat with a glass of wine while someone's cooking. It's a really, really nice area. It includes a dishwasher and a washing machine. It's also got an integrated microwave, fridge, freezer, loads and loads of space for entertaining. And then one thing that's really nice about this is actually Tregoad's very, very pet friendly. So after you finish walking the dogs, you've got a place to come and hang your jackets, place to sit and take your boots off, and you've got a little shoe tidy just there as well, and also an extra cupboard there too for dog stuff. So coming through to the back of the holiday home, we've got this fantastic family shower area just there, loads and loads of space, really modern, really light and airy. And then we've got in here this wonderful twin room, and actually it's huge. So we've got a dressing mirror just there, 2 3-foot beds, and then you've got a vanity area just here and a lovely wardrobe area too. And then finally through into the master bedroom. Got this huge master bed just here, and then we've got wildflower banks just outside. Again, we've got this really nice vanity area, and this also comes with the benefit of a walk-in wardrobe. And then as well as that, your own private ensuite for the evening as well. So really, really stunning, modern, light, airy lodge with all the facilities you need for all of the family. I think one of the really nice things with this is that, you know, letting wise, it's again great to be able to let something like this. It goes for great money in the summer holidays. Tregoad's a very exclusive park, and it really, really appeals to lodge holidays. If you want any more information on this or any of the other holiday homes we've got, please click the link in the description or give us a call 01503 390 004.